Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. I, Racquel Henry, I'm going to give you all a pep talk that's probably going to take longer than 60 seconds. So we're in the middle of a national, global pandemic, and I know a lot of writers are probably feeling really anxious right now. There's a lot of uncertainty, and it probably can feel like writing is unthinkable. But I want to remind everyone to use this time to really lean on your writing. A lot of us got into this business because writing was actually pretty therapeutic for us. So now is the time to actually focus on that and try to get maybe our feelings down on the page. If you're struggling right now with writing what you normally write, so maybe you're a fiction writer, maybe you're a nonfiction writer, maybe you write poetry, whatever it is, I want to encourage you to maybe try journaling. And journaling is really about writing down your feelings and channeling some of those inner emotions, translating them onto the page. So if you haven't already, give journaling a shot. And more important than anything else, just try to hang in there. We're all kind of going through some really rough situations right now, and I am urging you to use writing as a way to channel some of that instead of keeping it all bottled up. All right, we actually also have an online community. Right now, the studio, our brick and mortar facility, is closed, and we've been going through some transitions with our move for a few months now, but we do have an online community that's totally free, and if you need to reach out to other writers and you want to kind of talk about anything, you can do so in our free community, and it's on Facebook. It's called the Writers Atelier Online Community. I will link to it down below in the show notes. All right, hang in there, you guys, and feel free to reach out to me if you need anything at all. I'm trying to be there for our community as much as I can. Okay, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and motivation, and we will see you back here next week. Bye.